Alright, we're at the 27th Street trailhead again. Gonna go hike up Malans on this beautiful day. A lot of people hiking today. Wow, I've never seen it so crowded. Hopefully I can get a parking spot. Oh, I think I'm good. All right, here we are at the new 27th Street trailhead. Parking lot's really crowded. Never seen so many cars up here, and I'm the only TFNU member up here parking today. We're gonna get going. It's about noon. A little late start today. Heading up to Malans, right up there. All right, here I am on the trail up Taylor Canyon right now. Got a view of the valley below. I think it's pretty dirty, the air with this inversion. No sign of snow or anything in the works. We are really in a drought this year. But we're heading up here to Malans on this beautiful Martin Luther King Day. There's the old water pipes that used to supply Ogden with water. Those are the wooden ones. The wood's all gone. And it looks like these are some replacement ones. Didn't look like we'd need cleats down low, but starting to get some ice and snow on the trail, so I'm glad I kept them on. Seeing a lot of people coming down, not dressed very warm, not wearing cleats, dressed pretty lightly like you're in the parking lot. But it's been pretty chilly in this part of the trail, and it's pretty icy too. Here we are at the first lookout. Gonna get a little sun for a minute. View of the valley below Ogden. Love this lookout. We'll take a look at this lookout, and then we'll get another one up on Malans. All right, we're continuing our hike. We're getting up here. We got plenty of snow on the trail. It's chomped down pretty good. Plugging along. All right, we're getting up here on the last switchback. Beautiful view of Mount Ogden. I've passed so many people, and now there's nobody up here. Go figure. Oh, I made it, so to speak. Let's go get a comfortable spot to sit down, get a drink, and rest our little bones. It's 1:41, so it took an hour and 41 minutes to get up here, which is about 20 minutes longer than normal on a summer day. So not too bad. My watch didn't seem to work quite right. It took a pause when I stopped. Have to try to fix that when I get back. It is beautiful up here though. Oh my goodness. You can see the smog in the valley. But we're gonna try flying our drone here. Nice and clear up here, but then down in the valley you can see the dirt. Great time to be wearing cleats, as it is icy and packed down.